We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan, protected for Halo Mini. So if a thief had the key, done a relay attack, grabbed the key off you, stole the vehicle, went to drive it away, it starts up. As soon as they pop it into gear, it cuts out. So they're not going to be able to drive it anywhere. They're not getting away with the vehicle. If they try reverse as well, start it up, pop it into gear, vehicle cuts out. For the customer, it's nice and simple. All they got to do is start the car, go through a code, receive a flash instantly, and they can pop it into gear and drive away. As soon as we turn it off, we get a double flash to confirm the system's active. So that happens as soon as you turn the car off. Next time you start it, you're going to need that code. So this can be anything from 3 to 21 presses in any order that the customer chooses, across multiple buttons on the vehicle. This has an unlimited service mode, so when it goes to the dealer, the system becomes off. You don't need to hand over your code, make your vehicle vulnerable. The system just doesn't exist. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Mini, and once again, if a thief's got the key, they get the vehicle started, think they've got away, pop it into gear, it cuts out. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.